Big white candle though.
So can we just slow down?
Yeah, just be careful. This thing could drop real quick. It's a huge cat.
Oh, I already got out.
Big white candle.
Cool.
Alright, I'm sorry about that, YouTube. I just got it fixed. Had some issues, but we're up. Alright, cool, my charts are live. Sorry about that.
Damn it, Allen.
Tesla's going down, SPY's going up, ARC-X taking a fat dip, AMD going down, KOS going down, Steel going up, Ford going up, Airlines moving up, Travel's going up as in general, SPY new high 40377, AMD going down, KOS going down, Steel going up.
All we need is right here in front of us. In front of us. So can we just slow
Volume up.
Tesla volume's still like a million shy where I want to see it if we're going to get a good run day. Like 1.5 million long.
5 minutes.
I don't want like 3.5 million for like in 2 minutes. I would like to see 5. Because when it tapers off, it's going to taper off. But I could be damn wrong with that, so. Man, Alphabet's been a strong play this past week and a half.
Alright, I think AMD is done dropping for the morning. SPY is ripping 404, SPY not found. ARC-X bouncing off lower view up, currently oversold. Ford is continuing to move up, Steel is continuing to move up. I think this could be... No, Tesla's not reversing. Good luck, Tesla boys.
SPY 404.20. Tesla will be fine. It'll recover and bounce up. Just wait for it. I like it when it drops it open. Here it comes. Return from the dead. Jumped into Norwegian Cruise Lines.
Really?
Yeah, I need to diversify a little bit, so I'm going to go into travel. All travel cover. And I like
try
Norwegian.
Alaska Airlines, man. I think that's a good travel play for you.
I like Norwegian personally, so I use them, so I like them, so I'm going to go with them.
Okay.
I only buy stocks I will ever use, like VACQ and
So you're gonna launch on Rocket Lab?
Space. And
To the moon.
Norwegian sucks. They don't let you double down on a breaking hand on the blackjack table. I'm sticking with Royal Caribbean.
They spent a couple hours once teaching me the game of craps. I still don't know what the fuck I'm doing, but I appreciated that. It didn't cost me a dime. Let me play with house money.
Oh, that's
I love
great.
that.
Yeah, I need to do that about 10 more times, I think, before I ever figure it out.
You gotta make
Craps
a-
is such a hard fucking game, but you could win so much money.
There's easy approaches to it, but I was trying to learn the whole thing.
Yeah, no, you got to take it like one step at a time.
Yeah, you can just play the pass line. I get that, but it's like the whole thing. Trying to get all that. That was my goal.
I actually don't play the pass when I'm throwing. I play don't pass.
Yeah, nice.
I'm just bad luck. So if I put pass, I'll lose my bet. If I put don't pass, I'll win everybody at the table money, and I'll still lose my bet.
And you'll lose your bet. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're a popular person.
I get tipped.
Exactly. Have a little cup. Tips appreciated.
Mm-hmm.
AMC stock up 4%. Analysts are turning bullish on AMC. I don't think that's a bad play. AMC is gonna recover. Like when people get their shots and shit opens up and can just walk and see a movie, I think it's gonna start to recover nicely. Kong versus Godzilla at what? 32 million? Yeah, but 32 million on opening day for Kong versus Godzilla. Come on.
Yeah, but here's the thing, though. You got to remember, they only get a chunk of that. And overlying, they're pre-COVID. They had problems up the ass. I mean,
Yeah,
sure, they
but
converted part.
So many movies waiting to come out right now that they're saying that forget about any future titles because there's so many backed up that they just haven't released.
I mean, I agree with you that there's possibility from a recovery play, but I'm still over here. Like, that doesn't fix their fundamental problems.
AMC is a $9 stock. Come on, this is going to be a $20 stock by the end of summer.
What?
Yeah, but that's before all of us got.
Yeah.
Yep. Well, it's a meme stock, and I use that as a fun, but it's a meme stock, right?
But here's at the end of the day, I mean, look at pre-COVID levels. I mean, just pre-COVID. I mean, that stock was having a hard time maintaining 6 to 8.
I think AMC is going to hit 12 today. Watch. Look at it running right now. Yeah.
But
See,
yeah,
I mean, holy fuck.
But I would not tell you to play it as like, a real stock.
I'm not playing it. I just think it has good opportunity.
Next year, I'm be saying GameStop, so good play.
No, see, GameStop. GameStop has no value anymore. It never did.
No.
I mean, after digital distribution came out, it's done.
Yeah, it's dead.
It's a glorified toy store now when you go into it.
I haven't even been in one in years, so.
I go into every now and then. I'll go in just to see. Yeah, all those stupid little Funko Pops and all that crap. That's their main thing. If you want a Halo action figure, you go there.
But Corp, don't you want to upsell all of the children accessories to the video games that they're buying?
I tell you. I actually came across a limited edition. I want to say it was Halo or something. Little metal guy that I got in some package I bought once.
Mm-hmm.
I don't remember what it's called. I still have the packaging and everything. I wonder if it's worth anything. To go dig it out again. I'm gonna send it to Joe. Joe's getting all of it.
$4,000 morning. Fuck me.
Yeah.
I'll take it.
Good morning. GameStop is.
Tesla down at $6.99.
All these diamond hands are going to pay off.
SPY's coming down, but it has a really nice uptick here. I think SPY's going to shoot up at the bottom here. Might be a good opportunity to jump on it.
All in Spy Calls Corp? ?
Not yet. I want to see what it does with this ticker or the next ticker. Oh, look at that. That red's going to close above the white right before it on the 1 minute. Yep, it did. It might bounce here. This is where it goes up. Watch. Yeah, I like this trend. This looks like it's really nice. Although volume is dying on it, so be careful. Oh, that spike on volume all of a sudden. Alan, did you just buy some SPY? Like doubled its volume when I said that. It went from 200,000 to 400,000 the second I said that. It's funny.
Oh, AMD went red. Damn.
Are you still playing that dead ass stock?
Yes.
Ugh.
Just playing it in the wrong direction.
Yeah, my Tesla's gonna hit 1,000 long before you ever.
Man, it's gonna be a great time when we're laughing at this Fogo and Chow just enjoying all you can eat steak.
And you know that's gonna be like 10 years out. I have a feeling.
Okay, rude, Mr. Tesla 1000.
Yeah, we're at 697. We're headed the wrong way too.
I think Tesla's gonna get 1,000 first.
Let's just say I see Tesla at 1,000 before AMD at 100. Just, I hate to say that, Alan, but I gotta tell you that.
I got a horse in each race, so I don't care.
We're gonna either do it on earnings or we're gonna do it on the fall earnings when he talks about full self-driving.
I think we are going to see it sooner than that. I think we're going to see probably, June, July level, if I'm guessing, with all the other bullshit going on. It goes back to their ability to put out Cybertruck, I think, is my personal belief. If they can get Cybertruck out faster, they're going to catch some of that, demand that, is pent up for pickups, especially with the chip shortage and everything like that. So
Cybertruck is something he's going to talk. I have a gut feeling about this earnings call. And he's going to talk about how they're ahead of production and they're sending it out.
Yeah.
I really think Cybertruck's going to be this earnings.
Corp, so are we going to see AMD 87 today?
No.
Are we going to see Tesla 750 today?
No.
Tesla 720?
No.
700?
Maybe.
Damn.
We're both betting on the wrong stock.
Palantir's ripping.
We need to move on. We both need to give up our two favorite stocks. Wow, Palantir. Go. 25 maybe today? No, Palantir will not get 25 today. I will bet.
You got to treat them stocks like CCIV. Just buy them and ignore them.
Palantir snagged a nuclear security administrator contract.
Yep.
That's why it's moving. It's 5-year contract worth 89.9 million.
I posted that in chat.
Did you? Yeah, this will hit 27, 28, and then fall back to $10.
I'll be honest. A 5-year contract worth, let's say, $90 million. It's moved the stock like what? like $1 billion in value.
It'll come back down to earth.
Yeah.
It looks like it's done here, actually.
Hype
might be over.
Yeah, I could see where you're looking at that. On the 1 minute at least.
Yeah, the 1 minute doesn't look very good.
No. Yeah.
Anything's possible.
I don't think this one will bounce. I think it's going to retrace down to 23, probably 70.
21.30.
I meant today. Sorry.
I'm just pulling a number out of my ass, but
I mean, I'm just looking at this because I'm looking at where its low for the day is, and then just feels like it's going to follow that trench and probably stay there.
Tesla's going to make a run here. We'll see where it goes.
You and I both are looking at the same thing, then. I think I see it has a 7 and a 1 in it. Let's just say it like that.
Exactly.
I think in the next minute, next 10 to 15 minutes, I think we may see something fun.
Tesla will touch 700 here. Oh, look at that 701. Wow.
Yeah, no. I'm saying it could hit something else.
There's your 7 and your 1.
Yeah, I mean, there's a 7 and a 1, yeah, but I think it may hit a 7-1.
Tesla's going to hit 710 today, fellas, and stay there.
I think that there's a good chance.
I hope you're right. I don't know, but I hope you're right.
I mean,
RSI
RSI is a bit high for me to like it at this level. If it was at 705 and be at, this RSI, I'd say yeah. But
SRAC dropped nicely. Still watching it for an entry.
I wait until we have a red day corp on the SPAC ones, man.
SPY 404.41. Bro.
But what we're not talking about here, and it's the one thing that gets me, is, we always had big celebrations when, the Dow hit 28,000 or all that. We're at 33,400, and it's like no one seems to be batting an eye anymore.
Well, you don't have a president out talking about it every minute.
True.
I mean,
Yellen's talking today.
Who is?
Yellen.
Is she going to be yelling?
Oh, she's yelling. She wants to call for a worldwide corporate tax.
I hate that lady.
I agree. Do it. Just don't stop fucking taking
Boo corp. Boo corp.
Take it. Do it. Bring these stocks back down to values I can. Look at Amazon. 3,200 today.
That's cheap for Amazon, though, if you think about what it does. I mean,
I don't know. 3,200.
It puts its valuation at what? Doing quick math here, like roughly 1.8 trillion? 1.6 trillion?
Plug power. Plug. What's Plug doing? Plug just got news.
I don't know, but Disney's looking fine. Made a couple thousand on them today.
Yeah, I don't like Plug at these prices.
Plug Power will front the biggest investment in the euro-denominated 5T hydrogen fund that also includes Chart Industries. I don't know what that means, but that was news that just.
Well, since they mainly do power for, forklifts,
It might have been a good buy at 34.39.
Board high of day.
That's
Nice.
the best news. Thank you, John.
Thank you. How's my Snap doing? Snap. Nice. The 54s.
All right, guys. I'll be right back. Y'all yell if something crazy happens.
Flying crazy.
Like if Tesla reaches 730, I need to know. I'll be gone for 5 minutes. I mean, seriously, don't fuck with me. I really need to know.
Trump for president, August.
Hey, how do you guys like the new layout of the exclusive areas?
Well, on mobile, it's the
I
same
like it a
thing,
lot.
so.
You like
I
it?
feel
Eric?
like it's easier to access things.
Nice. Yeah, so it's like I have the exclusive alerts for like the HaiKhuu stuff that we're going to start producing and whatnot. Then we have just the chats, and then below we have just the extra areas.
Ford trying to hold 1 minute support.
It looks like Google's going to try to go through 2200. I mean, the next day, like I say right now.
Hey, John.
Hey, Alan.
Do you want to see a photo of $160?
Uh-oh.
Oh, nice.
Literally that candle on Ford, bro. $160.
That you lost unrealized?
Yeah.
Dang. I was hoping you'd be able to get out.
Oh, no, I'm still in. I'm holding this bitch for a while. Not a while, but a couple more days.
It's kind of like my Palantir position. It drops like that. Hurting. Ford will come back, though. No doubt. Walmart's pushing high a day. 139.21.
Microsoft shit is at all-time high, huh?
Does anyone here know anything about esports technologies?
Nope.
They're about the IPO. I think I'm going to go in.
Who is it?
Esports technologies. Like electronic sports.
Yeah.
Old TD just screwed me.
Whew.
Did you guys grab Pong F when I alerted it?
Not I.
I did not.
Nope.
Nope.
Damn, I'm up 50% on it.
What is it?
Pong F, it's Atari.
I remember
that you alerted.
already fucking up.
That was a long time ago.
You said you
Yeah.
remember that, Air?
No, I don't remember you alerting.
I do. It was a long time ago.
It was like right at the beginning of the NFT stuff.
What is this though?
It's Atari.
Didn't Atari get bought up by someone?
No. Still Atari.
Really?
I mean, it's been sold a number of
Yeah.
times. Still Atari.
Yeah.
In fact, they just released the new VCS.
I might
Still
look at the
pre-order
system.
at Walmart and GameStop, but you can order the new Atari VCS.
Mm.
For those that remember that. How do you freaking deposit money into Weeble? Forgot.
You might as well
Yeah,
just
I got it.
send your banking info over to the CCP.
No, I already did that. It's fine.
Yeah. Remember, if they have it, then they're going to protect it.
Yeah, all right. I just sent them money. Please don't be angry, Alan. I'm going to buy esports, I've decided.
Why not do that on TD?
Can't.
Why can't? Wait, what? What the fuck do you mean you can't buy it on TD?
TD doesn't give you this ability.
To buy
Pre-IPO, probably.
Yep, it's IPO.
Hey, what do you like about this particular company, Corp?
Wait, they have
Electronic
this in
sports.
pre-IPO?
It's pre-IPO. It's esports. I like esports.
I
Oh,
see
so
it
just
here.
because of the sector it's in?
Yeah, just a sector.
Fair enough.
How many shares are you going, Corp?
I don't know yet. It's $4.50 a share. Like that's gonna double. That's gonna be a $10 stock.
But how many shares are they putting out, though?
Who cares?
That's kind of important.
But you're not gonna buy all of them. What do you care?
I mean,
Yeah.
no, I mean, it's going to help its value go either which way. Knowing what
They got more than we can get.
CCL
Well,
pushing. CCL
Oh,
pushing
yeah.
high a day.
I'm just messing with you.
I know. I'm trying to look up and see what it is.
That's
I
great
can't-
news, John. Thank you, bro.
SPY continues to climb. My SPY looks strong here. I like the green cloud on the 1 minute.
John,
Yo.
that news of that CCL going up just paid the retirement check of a Vietnamese lady.
It's awesome.
You're
Glad to
fucking
hear that.
amazing, bro.
I wish I'd made money off CCL.
Are you not in CCL right now, bro?
Not heavy. All I have is a share right now.
Damn. Aren't you in CCL and AAL though? I thought you were pretty deep in both of those guys for a while.
Sold them.
Damn, alright. What are you in
That's
right
me
now?
also.
Palantir. And AMD and Tesla.
Hell yeah.
It's all about the RCL, baby.
So let me ask you this. Why RCL over CCL?
Corp answered that best earlier today when he said you got to believe in the company, something you use, and I use Royal Caribbean all the time, so I believe in them. I think they're the best cruise ship. I've been on them all, and that's what I rock with.
All right. That is all that's needed to be said. I agree with your logic behind your investments in RCL.
It's higher end than CCL. I got both, but I got more in Royal Caribbean.
Really? Is it higher? I'm not taking a cruise with either.
I think it is.
Okay, so imagine Carnival is kind of like your Motel 6. Norwegian is kind of like your Hilton, and then Royal Caribbean is kind of like your Waldorf.
Gotcha.
Which one's the middle one?
Norwegian.
Norwegian.
Norwegian's a shit company, though.
They got good cruise ships. Don't get me wrong. I love going on their cruise ships, but
I'm sure
I prefer going on them with my kids. But when it's just me and the wife, and I want an adult spend money, very nice, like kick-ass cruise, I always go to Royal Caribbean.
I will make note of that.
It's got Royal in the name, man.
So
Yeah, and there's a club called the Crown and Anchor Society. Come on, man.
That's actually lit. But hey, Royal Cola also has Royal in it, and you can get that for $1, and that's trash compared to Coke.
You want me to tell you a fun story about Royal Cola?
Hell yeah, dude. Just remember we're live on YouTube, so
Royal Cola.
That is fine. For all you YouTube listeners out there, the Royal Cola used to be part of the Dawkins family in North Carolina. We used to own part of it. So that was way back in the day when it first came out. So yeah, my ancestors owned it.
Oh, that's hype. I'm sorry for talking trash on your ancestors' soda.
Oh, it was great back in the day. Sucks now.
So here's the thing. It's a good beverage, but when you compare it to the other beverages that are out there now and the standard of beverage there is, it doesn't hold up to Coke, you know?
But I think it's all on taste because my number one's Pepsi, Royal Cola, and then Coke.
Really?
Even with you got alcohol? Like if you mix it?
Why would I water down my alcohol?
Never mind. Like if I was going to have alcohol with a soda, I'd go with Coke. But that's the only time I drink it.
Well, I mean, like if I'm drinking rum, I prefer cheer wine with my rum. If I'm drinking, you know, like whiskey or something or bourbon, that cheap stuff, then I'll probably, I mean, I would use either or Pepsi, Coke, Sam's Club Cola, whatever's available.
Gotcha.
AMD consolidation.
The soda company was Royal Cola?
Yep, called RC Cola.
Oh, RC. Okay, I've heard. I never said this. I didn't know it was Royal. Gotcha. And a moon pie.
That's my thing. That's like one of my catchphrases down here. Like if you see me walking the streets of Columbia and say, "Hey Gary, I want an RC Cola and moon pie," I will stop what I'm doing, go to the store and get your RC Cola and moon pie, and sit there and eat and talk with you.
So what's a moon pie?
What? You've never been to Mardi Gras?
Are you kidding me, Alan?
What the fuck, Alan? Sorry, pardon my French there, but seriously.
You need to get out more, Alan.
Yeah.
Well, that's just down here in the south, though, huh?
Wow,
One of these things?
Bill has the moon pie drop or whatever.
That's it.
Oh, I've had those.
We didn't have Mardi Gras this year, though. They canceled it because of the pandemic.
Sad.
So realtor.
Carnival season.
Yo, realtor.
What's up?
So when I come to your neck of the woods, we just gonna sit down, eat some moon pies, drink some RC Cola, and bullshit about the billions of dollars in assets we're overlooking and managing.
Yep, and well, that's for breakfast. For lunch and all that, it'd be sweet tea and fried chicken.
Now wait a second. They still sell RC Cola?
Yeah.
Oh
Yeah.
shit.
Yeah, they sell it. It's owned by the Cola International something or another now. I forgot who it is.
Yeah. But you can still get RC Cola. I mean, heck, I'm not sure what you can get at Publix, I think.
I don't see it up here in our grocery stores.
You're a Yankee, that's why.
I bet you ain't got Big Red either, do you?
Nope.
The fuck is Big Red?
They probably don't get cheer wine anyways.
I think I dated her once.
Do they have Big Red? Hey, do they have Big Red up there, realtor?
Oh yeah, we got Big Red.
Okay, I wasn't sure how forced out there was.
I mean, it's not as predominant as Royal Cola or cheer wine or Sundrop.
I don't know what Sundrop or cheer wine.
Cheer wine and Sundrop are the nectar of the gods, my friend. It will beat any alcohol, anything. They are the best.
You like Sundrop with that? Okay,
Yeah.
dog.
I'm telling you, man, that you need a sugar rush and caffeine rush. Drink Sundrop. You'll be good.
I know. That's what I'm saying. It's just a knockoff of the old, what is that? Not Mellow Yellow. What was the other one they had back in the Surge?
On that note, Pepsi's 142 and some change.
Speaking of which, what is KO doing?
Actually, KO's looking pretty good.
Yeah, I'm about to say it's looking a lot better than Tesla this morning.
I prefer Pepsi's diversity, but you know, KO is a good static stock and it's cheaper than Pepsi.
Well, then probably that lack of diversity will actually help it in the end. There's not that many places that can get affected.
Keurig Dr. Pepper. I didn't know Keurig and Dr. Pepper were part of each other.
That's a good company, actually. But it's a little pricey right now versus its overall, value. So it's worth like
Pepsi owns a lot of stuff also. They own Lipton, they own Naked,
Don't they own like Pizza Hut and stuff like that too?
That's Yum. I
KFC.
think.
Yeah.
It's Yum. They own a bunch of stuff. Yum China and Yum. Yeah. Yum owns Taco Bell, KFC, can't Pizza Hut, I think.
Long John Silver's?
Yeah, I think they own Long John Silver's, and they have one other concept.
I'd have to look up the rest.
Let's see there. They got Habit Grill. They have Pizza Hut, KFC, Taco Bell. I'm thinking that they have one more though, or two more.
You talking about Yum?
Yeah, I should remember this. Franchising real estate. Yeah.
They also have Burger King.
No,
And-
Burger King is Burger King is QSR, dude. That's the one with Tim Hortons and.
Is that who
yeah,
owns
100%.
Popeyes? Because I know Burger King used to own Popeyes.
Popeyes is owned by the investment group out of. No, let me check that because they just got.
Yeah, Popeyes, Smopeyes. It's all about Bojangles.
Okay, I just looked up Yum, KFC, Taco Bell, Pizza Hut, and Wing Street are the big ones, and Long John Silver.
I thought they had another one though. I thought they had like a burger joint.
Not like A&W or something, is it?
No, it's not A&W.
They used to own A&W.
Discord kicked me again.
Buy made another high of day.
Yeah, John, open any CSPs today?
Morning, Mike.
Today doesn't look like the best day. AMD is at lower VWAP. That's the only thing I'm seeing right now.
Yeah, AMD you said?
Yeah, it's at lower VWAP, but I don't think it would be a good time to open.
AMD would be the only decent one, but dude, the VIX is so low. Well, actually, it's up 2.7%, but it's still at 1780.
Jeez.
Now you would want to start doing spreads and not just CSPs, because it's really cheap to buy the options to hedge.
True.
VIX under
Gotcha.
20 should probably do more spreads.
Gotcha.
We need to give a class on spreads.
Yeah, next options class we can go more over that
When is
instead
that
of
gonna be?
CSPs.
Yeah, we would have been good on that Disney spread or CSP last week.
To anything.
Yeah.
It's alright.
When's the next class gonna be? I keep missing them.
Maybe this weekend, potentially.
Okay.
I guess you've seen Microsoft just pushing. Yeah, Microsoft just hit another high of the day a little bit ago.
Yeah, Apple back to 125. Palantir's way up. Horsehair at 34. This is nice.
Disney's at lower VWAP right now.
At Disney.
Yeah, they opened up at like 191.
Yeah.
God, I can't believe I have school today.
Did you keep any, Alan, of those Pongs? Pong F?
Yes, I have 300 free equity.
Ooh,
Is that
nice.
an OTC?
Yep, I'll take it. 48%.
Was that an
Yes, it is
OTC?
OT. Yes, it
Okay.
is.
Thanks.
Hmm.
I tried to look it up. I was wondering why I couldn't find it.
I didn't even know they traded. Buying one share for nostalgia.
Don't do that.
Have to.
It's going to cost you 800% the cost to buy one share. It's OTC. It's OTC, so you got to pay the commission cost.
Son of a.
So if you want to pay the $9 for the nostalgia, go for it. But just know that's a losing bet right out the bat.
Yep. Too late. Already did it. It was nostalgia. Sorry. I'm a huge Atari guy. That's what I grew up on.
Go for it. You know, that's fun. But yeah, you should have grabbed it on that initial alert.
Yeah, I missed all that. I was out doing stuff.
No worries. Yeah, 71 half. Just sold for 106. Called it a day. And I still think there's a lot of room for it to go up, but I'm like, cool.
I still got the original Pong console.
Ding, ding, ding. Pong rock.
Yo, Palantir is pumping right now.
Nice. I finally made a few Happy Meals this morning.
Hell yeah.
And Microsoft has just been climbing, slowly consolidating on that 1 minute support. Just been running all morning. Buy 405.21. Microsoft below 1 minute support. Support 247.32 if it continues down at all. Looks like it's consolidating on 1 minute support. It's 5 minutes been overbought since market open, it looks like.
Okay, I bought esports. Wish me luck.
Good luck, Corp. When does that IPO today?
No, yeah. Let's take a look. I didn't even look. Is that bad? Hold on. I love IPOs. April 13th, so next week.
Nice. Oh shit. What do I get my girlfriend for her birthday?
Oh no.
Porsche.
Hopefully it's not today, right? Here's
Fire.
Microsoft
No.
coming down.
It's
Tesla
April
stock.
13th.
Tesla stock.
Microsoft coming down on here on the 1 minute.
She would hate that, Corp.
You could always throw a Pokemon package together for her.
Time for a
Here's-
new girlfriend.
Here's a KU sweatshirt.
You see that? Did you see that picture? I guess you saw that picture I sent you. I know where you can get a Pokemon, rare Pokemon card.
Wait, what's up?
That picture I DM'd you,
Who said that?
James. Yes.
Oh, god damn, James. Yes. I remember that. God. Please, no. Please, no.
Get her something nice from Tiffany's.
There you go.
That costs money.
Yeah, but I mean, it's always nice.
That is true.
Man, your true Asian colors are coming out.
She like teddy bears? Get her a teddy bear with a necklace around it.
See, Eric, here's the thing. I can afford a nice gift, but I am using that cash to pay for the place in New York. So,
Just get her a bunch of flowers.
Wrong button. AMD above VWAP on 1 minute in 1 minute cloud.
Get her a spa package, like a massage and stuff.
Screw it. Give her a engagement ring.
you know that's not happening. You know that is not happening.
Watch out, she might be watching the YouTube.
Okay, realtor, what kind of baller do you think I am being able to afford Tiffany? I can't afford any of this, bro.
Yeah, you can. They got like try the Pablo Picasso thing. You can always get sterling silver.
Says the guy who's dicked out in Coach half the.
I feel like a douche because I'm literally wearing Coach socks right now.
See?
Good point.
Give me a second.
y'all hear me?
Yeah.
Very low.
Alan, it's where I shop. You'll like it.
Those are super expensive watches.
Those are nice watches.
Almost got one, but I just didn't want to spend the money on it. But I was also like 17.
Alan, go eBay one of those.
Here, Alan. I'm even picking it out for you.
I was gonna say, they do sell nice women watches.
She will love you long time.
Get her a smartwatch, like a women's smartwatch.
Nice, Corp. I was about to pick him out. Something looks almost like that from Tiffany's.
Yeah, Tiffany's is what does something like that run at Tiffany's? Tiffany's a little less expensive, right?
Tiffany's got really smart. My wife loves Tiffany's, so they have everything from a normal inn all the way up to you're the Queen of England inn.
Yeah. Yeah, I think you can get something probably a little less expensive. Yes.
What's on that blanket? What's on that blanket? Cox.
Cox, what?
Give her a promise ring.
Yeah.
There's Joe.
Usually a necklace, any kind of necklace is usually a good way to go.
Alan, buy that necklace. Do it.
Necklace and flowers.
You have 24 hours, Alan.
Battery operated panties.
Dude.
Wow, live on YouTube.
Joe, she'll get too much satisfaction out.
Alan, get her some leggings or something.
Oh, is that Mike?
Yep.
Hey, thanks for joining us today, Mike.
Alan,
Thank
some
you for joining us.
What about me? No one.
Well, who's that in the background? I hear somebody.
I'm open micing. Sorry.
Yeah, someone's open micing.
Can you mute him, Mike?
Yes, sir.
Someone mute Mike. I mean,
Trader Joe's.
Maybe
Are you serious?
I know, seriously.
Are you talking about your socks? Those retails $120 for those socks.
And you can't afford a $7,000 necklace. Stop.
Yeah, you can't get your girlfriend anything nice.
I'm going to make
probably.
That's not what you told us.
that necklace is a first edition. Y'all don't knock it.
You going to jail.
You're scared to go to church.
Cocaine. Really? Yeah, I'll take a look at it.
Get her a parlay ticket on tonight's game. No, don't get coach.
Yeah, speaking of birthday presents, my wife just reminded me I didn't get her one.
Whoops.
You're taking it at Disney?
Coach Disney, eh?
AMD's at 1 minute, the top of the 1 minute cloud. It's at 5 minute resistance.
Get her that then.
Come on, AMD. Break above that resistance.
Damn, man. Premium is crap right now.
You piqued my wife's interest, Alan. Good job. She's looking at it right now.
Oh, there you go. Got a mask. $18.
Where is this that you're talking about, Alan?
Out of China.
Send it to me too.
Yeah, it's all out of China.
Coach Outlet. Yeah.
No, we actually have an outlet store where you can actually walk in and buy this stuff at this price about 20 minutes from my house. Yeah, so
Wait,
we
do
have
you guys
that.
not have outlets, like a bunch of these near you?
Yeah, we do. Outlet Jersey's all outlets.
Yeah.
We're over near Great
DC's
Adventure.
got a couple.
You drive 20 minutes any direction, you're finding outlets, to be honest.
Yeah,
we
same.
should have bought
There's a bunch
some
around Houston too.
Outlets are
NVIDIA.
lit.
Yep.
TK Cross under on Microsoft on the 1 minute.
Alan, I found it. This yellow, they call it a belt bag.
What'd you just say?
Oh, let me copy this link.
You're live on YouTube. Watch your language.
When I said belt bag,
What'd you just call it?
a fucking
What did they
what
call
is
them
that
back
shit
in the
called?
day?
Just look at this thing. It's nice and yellow. That is a joke because it's hell just like yellow.
I don't think you're joking, Mike. I'll be back.
There you go, Alan. That's something. That's a good price range from Tiffany. Oh well, I mean, I picked that because that's sterling silver. I mean, I can get the yellow gold for you. You're gonna pay a lot more. I don't know. Well, you might not be able to get that one. I don't think Alyssa does the yellow gold. I think she's just sterling and platinum.
Mike, I agree. Alan needs a man purse.
They go well with those socks.
My parents' birthday are both coming up, 7th and 11th. Dad turned 70 this year.
My mom's birthday is actually coming up this month. It says $24 for me. Hey, it's not bad.
I just want to remind you, the original goal was to find her birthday present. Does she like book bags?
John, you see how he's trying to talk his way out of getting her something?
I mean, he's got
It
time.
turns into a mission for.
You
You don't want to buy something. Yeah, and you don't want to buy something just like in the spur of the
13.
moment.
I thought you said you had 3 days left.
Get her some UGG boots.
There you go, Alan. Just call him and tell him I sent you.
Hey, Alan, my wife brings up a good point. If you buy her something like that, it sets the expectation for every birthday it's going to be like that.
You just got to do a little better than the last one.
What?
Buy
Those
her
stupid knives?
some plane tickets.
Yeah.
I mean, you can ask her what you got her. Like, just be like, remember what I got you last year? And she'd be like, yeah. And be like, what was it again?
Okay, listen, here's what you do. You always take a picture on the birthday of when she opens her gifts. That way, when you forget, you just go back the year before and see what she opened up. And find a jewelry line she likes, start at the bottom of the jewelry line and work your way up. And then by the time you're married for years upon years, then it's not so bad.
Some good advice there. Okay.
Alan
Taking
definitely
notes.
made a young man's mistake.
God.
Microsoft looks like it's coming down to 247.36 support and could slip into the cloud. SPY is pushing another high a day. 405.54 now. 55. Cool, cool. 58. Super cool. Oh yeah, AMD's consolidating at the 5-minute resistance. 1-minute resistance. Looks like it played out a TK crossover from underneath the 1-minute cloud. Possibly coming down to 1-minute support again here at VWAP.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello. What's good, Spec?
Hello.
How's it going?
Pretty good.
I'm going strong. Market's green. This is beautiful. SPY all-time high 4056 right now. How you doing, bro? You making bank today?
Yeah. 4 winning trades. Was it 4? Yeah, 4 winning trades. Right. I closed 4 winning trades. I'm still in 4 day trades still, so I'm waiting on that. But yeah, overall it's pretty good. And ES. Oh yeah, well 5 winning trades because ES. I closed my breakout trade for 14 points. A little early, but it's better. I want to take the 14 points, and then so just in case it decides to stuff, right?
Mm-hmm.
Better take my money and run, But yeah, market's strong. Market's good.
AMD's back at VWAP.
Yeah, I can't see my market profile chart right now because my CQG's messed up, but I contacted NinjaTrader to fix it, so it's going to take 24 hours.
Wow.
Yeah.
Hasn't that happened already before?
Yeah, well, it happened like last week, but they didn't answer until like today, so.
Wow.
Since it was a weekend.
Yeah.
We should all just invest all of our money into Lululemon. What the fuck?
What?
$100 for some of these pants?
Oh yeah.
But they look so good on the right people.
Like, everyone should have went all in when you could buy shares of stock lower than the price of these pants.
Or just live in Columbia, South Carolina, and just walk up to the warehouse and grab them. Yeah, they're way overpriced, Alan. I do not suggest you ever buy that stuff.
It's $20 yoga pants for $100.
$20. It's more like a few bucks.
I'm saying it's comparable to the stuff you get for $20 at like a Target, you know?
Right. I used to do some like e-commerce stuff, right? And like yoga pants like cost like a few bucks to make, I think. Pretty sure.
Yeah, it's really not that much.
So their profit margins, besides marketing, I think the profit margins are probably insane.
On the production side, yes, but think about all of the R&D that goes into the development, and then having styles just go out of style in 3 months?
Yeah, and having stores too is very costly, I would say.
But regardless, the margins, they own every single part of that. They have total vertical integration with that business. They're producing everything in that process. It's so cheap for Lulu to make these pants once they have the design and the templates.
Yep.
Dude, Alan, my wife buys the Lululemon and Under Armour fabric for cheap and makes her own.
That is so smart. You know, it's like your wife. I mean, she does have her own store doing that.
She said it's $11 per yard to do it, to buy the fabric and do it herself.
$11. Oh
yeah,
my
so think
god!
about it. If you do that, you can maximize your own profit.
I'm selling Disca. Okay.
Should I do that? Here is $500 in $1 bills. Go dance, I don't know.
She also said that she got North Face fabric for $16 a year.
And is this literally the fabrics that the organizations are using in the manufacturing?
Yep, it's straight from the factory. It's just like the runoff.
Nice.
So she gets like full pants.
How was your guys' weekend? Spent time.
It was good, Spec. Other than allergies, what about yours?
Oh, my allergies were pretty bad too. I have asthma, so triggered my asthma while I was driving, and I thought I was gonna suffocate.
Oh boy.
Yeah, I got home, and then I mean, the inhaler didn't work. Like I just kept, using inhaler, but I guess my allergies were so bad, so I had to go home and take an antihistamine, and that solved it. But yeah, it was pretty bad.
I didn't have to do that.
Antihistamine.
Oh yeah, I my eyes are bothering me literally right now. But yeah, I feel your pain.
So I do morning Zyrtec, evening Claritin, and then if it gets really bad, I'll take some Sudafed.
Yeah.
I had a pretty good weekend though. My girlfriend got to come down for the first time since she left. So.
Hell yeah, that sounds like a great
How
time,
is James
John.
doing?
What? Yeah, she left.
John, I love.
I didn't even hear what she said.
I said, "How is James?"
Oh, he's doing good. Me and him got to sleep on the couch together.
Who is the big spoon and who is the little spoon?
We switched.
Whoa, what?
Oh shoot, is this still live?
Unfortunately.
We're just showing the diversity of HaiKhuu trading.
The love of HaiKhuu.
Takes all kinds, man.
That's it.
Okay, what if I adopt a wombat for my girlfriend?
Wombat?
That'd be badass.
You might as well make up a foundation that you bought her a tree in some no-name country.
The hell's a wombat?
Or
Get
you
a wombat.
Like,
Or you can buy
it's
them
not like I
both
would
for
show up to
someone.
her house with a wombat, but like, you can adopt one at the zoo, and she can name it and things, I think.
Can you adopt something?
Why don't you get
different
her
than
like a
wombat?
Thomas Kincaid painting? They've been on sale lately.
Where can I do that, Air?
Buying
Cost-
her a star with her named after her.
They have the Roadshow, or you can look online and Costco has them on sale on the road.
Buy her a quarter square of land in Scotland so she can be a lady.
That went quite pretty. Alan, just give her a stack of dollar bills and let her use her imagination.
Make it rain, Alan.
Alan, I got something for you. I'll sell you a 1956 Marilyn Monroe pinup calendar. You can give that to her.
How much? I might just get that for my own place.
I don't know. Let me look at it.
Again, Alan goes back to himself.
She wouldn't want that.
I don't know, obviously, does she she cook?
She cooks sometimes.
You can't go wrong with a day at the spa, get her nails done.
That's what I said earlier.
Yeah, that's something that's just for her that she gets to enjoy. Chicks dig that stuff.
And then she's in a good mood, and then you benefit off that.
Oh, hell yeah. And you can do that relatively cheap. $100, $150. She can have like a hell of a day.
Get her a gift card to fuck. Oh, Alan, I got a really...
What's up?
Have a midget throwing event and have Mike fly out.
I love it. Mike, what are you doing next Tuesday or Wednesday?
Apparently,
He's
Next
fighting
Tuesday.
you. That's what he's doing. He's gonna be fighting you.
Wait, what did Loot do? Alan, does she like
You cut out at the last part. What's up, Air?
Does she like Disney?
She likes Disney. She's not like crazy Disney. She's more anime than Disney. The way that you are Disney.
I think you should hook me up with one of her single friends. I'm not joking.
You're in New York, right?
Yeah, bro.
Let me see what I can do. I think she's got one friend in New York who's a chick who's single.
I'm down. I might be a little too old for her, but
Yeah, she's like 23, bro.
yo, I can hang, bro. I still look like I'm 23. How about that? That works.
Shit, I'm 55. I'll hang with a 23-year-old.
If you reverse my age, I'll be 23. How about that?
I think age is just a number.
It's just a number.
Yep.
Nice.
Until you get a big spread. I got a friend that's 57 dating a 28-year-old, and I'm like, what are you fucking nuts?
Yo.
Hey, good for
him.
I'll buy that man a drink.
Yeah, but you can't have, when there's that big of an age gap, you find a lot of things you can't even relate to.
But does it matter?
You only have to have one thing in common, Steph.
It doesn't even have to be in common.
Fair.
Well, I think we're all talking about the same thing here.
I like how cryptic we are.
Yeah, nobody get that shit.
The SPY was 404 earlier, now it's 40603. Woo!
Oh, JK, yes, it's pissing me off.
I think a day like today where SPY is taken off, I need to diversify a little bit more. Too much in the... Well, now I have to buy my wife a birthday gift that I somehow forgot to give her 2 months.
I am so sorry about that, man.
You in the doghouse.
It's all good. No, she's just making some passive-aggressive comments.
Hey, but you're getting her something. That's all that matters. If
I
anything,
don't know,
she should be
I might
happy.
forget this after.
Oh.
You need to make the anniversary twice as special.
No, her reasoning was, now it's just a pity gift. She's like, now I don't have a reason to buy you any birthday gift this.
Oh.
She's more than a little upset.
Nah, she's chill about it.
I hear you.
So I still have to find.
I'll never believe it when they say you don't have to get me.
Oh, I've been disappointed for the last 15 years. Thanks, Dad.
Just added to my GSX swing 29s. Let's see. Added GSX.
You know, everybody's looking at them.
At 29, 62.
Damn, I was looking at SPY calls today for 410. They're up 800%.
Yeah.
Definitely should have taken that.
WBI is very low volume. Sucks.
Would you see what the
Mac, you think the SoFi merger will come through at the end of the?
What was that?
What did you see
You
in
think-
GSX that caught your eye?
GSX is one of the margin call stocks that Archegos Capital blew up on. So, I mean, if you look at a daily chart, it dropped. What was it from? 88s, yeah, like high 80s, all the way down to 29. I would be surprised if it doesn't bounce. I mean, we're at a previous consolidation area. And I mean, I don't think any fundamentals have really changed on these margin call stocks. It's just heavy because of, the selling. But I really don't think this could drop. Well, I think this is pretty much done selling, and I think we should probably catch a bid sometime soon. That's the whole idea.
Mac, is SoFi merger this week?
No. So I posted something about it in the weekly report. I think it's going to happen end of the month or early May. They filed another S4. The CEO of SoFi had an interview, I think, like a few days ago or last week with CNBC's Kate Rooney, and he said they're like in the final stages of getting done with the merger. All they need to do is get a SEC, what's it called? Yeah, like approval from the SEC. And then they're going to have to mail out some stuff to the shareholders, and then they vote on it. So that usually takes like up to 3 weeks. It could be sooner. It could be up to 3 weeks. But once that's done, then the merger will happen.
Gotcha.
So,
Nice.
yeah.
I keep debating about adding more at this level.
Well, I mean, it's not a bad idea as long as you're not using like margin.
No more.
Yeah. I mean, if you're not using margin, then you should be fine, I think. I mean, if you look at SoFi fundamentally, it has a lot of potential to grow. Let me see the notes real quick. Yeah. So the fintech lending sector should do very well in the next few years, especially with the economy getting stronger. Because, I mean, one, interest rates should go up, which is very good for banks, a lot online banks like SoFi, because that's how they make money. And not to mention, there's projections that fintech lending is projected to rise by 51%, and SoFi will be profitable probably this year or next year. But yeah, for example, their revenue is increasing. So they made $621 million in revenue in 2020, but they expect $3.67 billion in 2025. And yeah, I mean, that's the basic idea.
I think they'll be solid.
Where do you get their financial statements from?
You can go to SEC file. Wait.
Is it for IPOE or is it you got to search?
No,
SoFi?
you gotta search SoFi.
Okay, I'll take a look later. Thank you.
Should I buy an SPX put right now?
It's not that. I mean, if you're just trying to hedge, then options are cheap at the moment with the VIX so low. Not the worst idea.
I think you're right on that, John.
I'm literally looking at like a 7-8 grand contract right now. I don't know if I should do it.
7 or 8 grand. Age.
That's a lot of money to put on the line, bro. Don't do anything too risky.
I added more WBI on this drop. That was a nasty drop.
She just gets SPY, John.
SPY.
Or SPX. I mean, if you want to put that much in.
I did WBI.
I'm just trying to make money.
But John, you have to remember, yes, everyone always wants to make money, but you can't make money in opportunity. You can't force yourself to make money. You know what I mean? The opportunity has to present itself.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll probably hold off and just keep watching. I haven't opened anything today.
Yeah, like, SPY's been absolutely killing it today. I think, yeah, it would be good to get a put, see what happens.
When he said, "Should I get puts?" I had just gotten stopped out of mine.
Wait,
Did you?
who's talking about buying puts?
Somebody said, "Should I get puts?" And I had just gotten
No.
stopped out of mine when they said that.
No, I don't think you should buy puts.
You stopped out of your ES puts? Or at SPY?
Yeah, I had just gotten stopped out of ES.
I would not buy puts because today, well, first of all, Nasdaq is breaking out. It just broke over a key consolidation high. I mean, all the indices are moving up. You don't want to be in front of this moving train. I mean, just because it's up so much doesn't mean you bet on the downside. You have to wait for like a good opportunity. I mean, this thing is what? It's just grinding up. Well, it's really rallying, but it's not even pulling back. It shows like a lot of strength. If you want to be safe, you want to see price get actually stuffed and get emotional. Right now, it's just going up and up and up. I mean, momentum is very strong. I would not. Trying to fade strong momentum is like literally trying to jump in front of a train. So, it doesn't end up well.
Alright, I appreciate it. Just hold off and keep watching. Just trying to get some realized gains today.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I haven't opened up anything.
I could have just bought naked puts on Palantir and been good with that, probably.
If anyone's taking the day trades with me, I added WBI. My average is 22.09. Little bit of a kind of light volume, so I would size accordingly. But no, it should be good. It's at the ATR, the maximum ATR. So,
Man, one of these days I'll get back into Marvel.
What's ATR?
average true range.
I think I literally just kind of missed all my trades this morning while watching them. Yeah.
Did you grab those Palantir puts?
No. I've just been watching today, watching the market.
Damn, missed the boat with that one.
Kind of goes against my instincts to buy puts on a position that I have 400 shares in. But it's the way to hedge against it, so. But yeah. I'm not gonna look at SPY for a little bit now.
Did you grab those puts?
No. No. I held off, like I said.
Oh, Nvidia. Wow. Oh no, never mind. That's not that much. It's 10 points on Nvidia. Never mind.
So, John, there was a TK cross under on the 1 minute, though. So now that there's that confirmation, you know, that's just another thing that's going for you. It's not too late. Still can go down a far way.
I'll probably just watch it and see if I was even close to being right.
Go get a cheap one at least, bro. Like a couple $100 one. Because when you said $7,000, I'm just like, oh shit. You know, that's a large one for you, man.
Yeah, but if I go get a $200 put, that's just throwing money down the drain for me. Like, it's not gonna... I'm gonna need, like, huge slippage to even make a profit on it on SPY.
I mean,
It's kind of too late for my entry, and
still
I just-
holding.
yeah, like I wouldn't want to get it now. Where I was looking at it, I was looking for some.
Personally, if
change.
SPY has a decent pullback, I would buy, go long, rather than short it. That's just my personal thing.
If it slipped down to VWAP and then started to make its way down to the 200 SMA on the 1 minute, I would go long on it there too. But I don't know either. For sure.
Because my overall bias is pretty bullish, so I think there's more money to be made on the long side, to be honest.
I think intraday, though, there's room for it to come down to VWAP.
Where's VWAP at on SPY?
4.7.
4.07. Okay. Kind of trading a little blind here because I don't have my market profile chart up, unfortunately, because my CQG.
Yeah, I just want to see what happens at the 1 minute cloud more than anything.
It's holding 59 pretty well on ES. So,
I heard 1 minute cloud.
Hi, Fred.
Internals are pretty strong too. So
Costco broke above the cloud. The market's finally coming back. It's a fucking miracle.
Oh, yeah, it is.
yeah, the internals are pretty. They're not too weak, so I don't really have any conviction yet for a short or even downside.
So what do you guys think? Wait for a pullback to go long?
If it comes, but
That's what I'm saying. Like I don't think
I don't think. I think we're gonna keep continuing higher all day. To be
I have the
honest.
same thought, but every time I go with that, I end up being wrong.
Yeah, that's kind of why I asked. Usually I just go in on these options, but I decided to ask this time around.
Oh. Well, Apple's coming down a little bit. AMD's at lower VWAP. Palantir at the cloud. 5 minute.
Who's whistling?
Sorry, that's me.
There's a cricket in here or something. I just took an allergy pill. Should be good now.
Oh yeah, Mike popping pills before going to work.
Yep. Dude, my allergies suck this time of year.
Yeah.
Normally I get sick like on my birthday. Like,
Now,
just,
is there advantage to buying warrants over stock?
It's
like options.
Yeah, so essentially what happens is you get the ability to make more money on your own personal capital, but you also adhere to significantly more risk than buying the underlying spec.
Kind of like leverage, isn't it, in a way?
Yeah, so it's like the warrant gives you the ability to buy the underlying spec typically at 11.5. If, the spec goes from 11.5 to $15, then the warrant will go from, $1.50 to $3.50.
Yeah.
Percentage wise, that gain is going to be significantly more than the 20% gain from the just holding the underlying equity.
100%.
Okay.
But there is more downside risk. Keep in mind, of course. Every risk comes with reward.
Yes, like with CCV, I would have lost 20% if I only held equity. But because I'm holding so many warrants, I think I'm down like 50, 60% right now on just that long position that I'm holding.
Microsoft in the 1 minute cloud.
Yeah, Microsoft is so beautiful. God, it's just amazing.
Apple's broke below 1 minute cloud support. Support its VWAP. Fun.
DSAC is up to $1.70. DSAC W, that is.
CCIV puts don't sound too bad, right?
I ditched some of them to make a profit.
Ruger's
What,
up
CC?
today, Fred.
TSM is 1%.
That's 68.
Yeah, TSM is not having a good time, but that's different.
Pepsi 143.79
If you
now.
didn't know, though, TSM is 57% of all silicon market share.
Dude,
They're
Corsair is
fucking giant.
getting volume right now, and it's really weird.
It plays a nice range, actually.
What does?
Of course.
Yeah. Talking about intraday or just like
Daily?
in the daily?
Just today, so
Oh. You could
it
use first
swings
channel
between
with it.
34 and 35.
I have Corsair at 31.88. I'm just holding one share. Sold a bunch.
When it was down today, I was thinking about buying.
Anything under 33.84 today looks good.
Yeah.
A man
Point
uses
control is 34.14. Just buy it and sell it up there.
Man uses a gun to rob a Texas convenience store. A man was shot by every customer inside the store.
Oh shit!
That's
Every
awesome.
customer.
There's like a security cam footage. Well, it's a screen cam security cam.
I love being from Texas.
I'll post it in off topic.
Can you imagine getting shot by everybody in the entire
Hey,
store?
where'd the off topic channel go? Oh, under the call. Okay, I see it. There.
Yeah, I mean, Houston.
Allen. It looks like someone in one of these ticket groups now is they sent you a screenshot or something. No worries. That's cool. We have a ticket system. Yeah, I was noticing that.
I hope you guys had a good weekend. I had a pretty shitty weekend too. Fine, but I'm much happier being here working, doing something.
Dude, mine was allergy laden being in California. Like, I worked outside for half an hour and the allergies were so bad it knocked me out for the rest of the day.
You wear one of those like masks for like outdoor work. My neighbor does that.
I wear plenty of masks every day. I don't need to do it when I'm doing the.
Yeah. Well,
But
my
now
neighbor
I think it's a
like
good point.
My neighbor wears like an N95 specifically for yard work because his allergies will fuck him up.
I'll just wear a hazmat suit.
I read a research paper over the weekend talking about how there was like a 30% chance or something of vaccinated individuals to still be carrying COVID.
Yep.
So
I don't know if this is right or not, but it looks like a fairly weak TK crossover on the 1 minute for AMD. Looks like the lagging line's below the current price, below the cloud.
It's
yeah,
still
it's a TK
below
crossover, but it's not a very strong one. It's a stagnant move.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, so I was right. That's good. Very unlikely to break resistance. There was another TK cross under on Microsoft that down to the
Costco is strong on the 5 minute.
Walmart was doing well earlier today also.
Didn't you sell Costco, Fred?
Yeah, but I bought back into it yesterday.
Oh, yeah.
Well, not yesterday, for Thursday.
Yeah.
Once it managed to break back above into the cloud. And then it gapped again, and now it's above cloud, so
Nice.
it should be nothing but upside from now.
Uh-oh, VIX is coming up. VIX and VVIX are actually positive on the day. That's not really a good sign for ES.
And low side just said AMC's ripping, which makes me think GME and all those are too.
GME has a share offering, so I would. That's why it dropped quite a. I don't know off. I just know that's what caused it to dip this morning.
Yeah, GME's up. Not green, but it's up.
Yeah, Costco's looking good, Fred. Probably hold it up to like 371.
Offer up to 1 billion in share.
What do you think of AMD here, Fred?
Hold on.
At the market equity offering out.
AMD's starting to reverse 1 minute. I mean, 5, yeah, on the 1 minute, yeah.
You think it'll break this resistance, that 50 SMA?
AMD might be able to run from here to the bottom of the cloud on the daily.
Daily cloud, you say? To the top, to the bottom of the red cloud, you're saying it can run?
Yep. From here to there, if it holds support.
So you're saying all in?
You're not all in already? Okay.
No Corpus Schmorpus made me close out my CSP this game, but I still have plenty of or decent amount of equity, of course. But
You
no,
have
I'm gonna
a-
pull off. VIX and VVIX.
Surprised you let him tuck you out.
Do you have 100 of AMD?
No, I don't have 100. I have 12 in this account and 12. I have around like 25 shares. 4.
It's nice. Always average down easily.
Average cost is like around 85 though, so it's, you know.
Well, if AMD goes down below 80,
So if I-
always
I
add
have-
more to start rolling on.
Dividend.
Yeah, that's why you tell CSPs get that average
If I have
low.
a dividend that's
Somebody
What?
asking a question just now?
yeah, if I have a dividend on a stock that's due to be paid today, it's just pending for the 5th. If I sell the stock right now, I don't get that dividend, right?
Oh, you get it. If it's pending right now, you get that dividend.
Yeah. If you holding the stock on an ex-div date, and you'll get a notification usually, then yeah, you'll get it.
Okay, cool.
I don't know if you. I wonder what happens if you sell on the ex-div date. Like you buy the day before, then you sell on the ex-div. I think you still get it.
You do. Right.
Yeah,
You have to have
before
it. You have to have it before the record date. That makes sense.
So you can't. Okay, so if you have margin, you should settle instantly though. So you have to buy like multiple days before the ex-div day. You're saying. Yeah, that makes sense. Wow, the SPX looks amazing. My God. Go to the daily on the SPX, bro. Like, what the fuck? I like into some VIX calls or unless VIX is gonna, you know, continue to trend this low. Is it? I haven't even looked at that one. Yeah, it's $5.
I read something about July for that.
Damn, dude. Yeah, you Vixie got some volume down here too. Exactly. And the VIX and VVIX are looking bullish.
I might open a spread on Fred's sentiment there for AMD.
What, a put credit spread?
Mhm.
As long as it holds support.
What's the support you're looking for? 80?
Look at the daily line.
Let's see.
The
Yeah.
200.
80, 41.
80, 41.
You want to stay above that.
Oh, okay. I don't even know what the line called. The Tenkin line?
Conversion line? No.
Fujin.
Fujin. Which one is the Tenkin line again, Fred?
I'm sorry, I got a spam call. What?
Which one is the Tenkin line again?
It's a blue one.
It's the blue. Oh, so it's the conversion line. The Tenkin line.
Tenkin, yeah, is the signal line, I guess.
I thought the Tenkan and the conversion were the opposite ones. I
The
guess.
fusion line is the confirmation.
Gotcha.
Come on, Mike. You should know this.
The easy way to just like
I know
refresh
the
yourself
line,
is it's
like-
just if you just want to refresh yourself, just pop up studies and go to the settings. It's quick, you know.
True.
I just did that. I wasn't doing that by memory.
Honestly, though, the volume profile, SPY is building some value here.
Yeah, I was looking at that earlier on the daily.
Oh, look at the point of control in the 30-minute time frame for the intraday one.
Like the 405.50 to 405.34.
It's at the high end of the range.
Yeah, and it's got the most volume today right there at that range.
Exactly, yeah. And it's at the high end, and there's the most volume at the high end. Normally, the price will retrace to the point of control, so it would be a better short if the point of control is at the lower end of the range.
True.
You float it back to that, or even the previous day's point of control, but still building value. Spec might be right.
Yeah.
Sorry, what was that?
No, we're just talking about how you're saying don't buy puts on SPY.
Yeah, when I heard him in the call, I just, when I heard you in the call spec, I wanted to ask for sure and see what your sentiment was.
Let's throw some AMD CSPs into the scanner, eh? See what we got.
Pretty bullish on the whole market. Oh, I think I got my CQG back. Wait, let me see. Let me reset. Nice.
I'm gonna add a filter here. Option volume. Minimum, and I'm gonna put it 1. Some illiquid ass options that pull up. Here we go. Looks like mostly good return on risk ones are the 72 halves now, not 70s. 70s are getting cheap. Let's see, 72 half, 62 half. Oh, that's not a bad spread. The 72 half, 67 half.
I think I've opened that before. It's
72 halves to 20 delta. If I change that 67 half to 65, collect a buck for it.
at May 21st. It's coming into your, your time. 46 days out,
Yeah, exactly. It's perfect. Oh, AMD's coming down. This might be a perfect time to get in.
Assuming it doesn't break.
Yeah. What do you think it'll go down? I think the lowest I see AMD going down to is maybe 78. What do you think, Fred?
Hold on. Give me 1 second. Let me switch to it.
$78.46 area.
Yeah, 78.38.
Okay, yeah, perfect.
We can all agree on 78. So that means 16th of April, we can sell, like a 76, but that's not much my style. But I feel like weeklies, you can sell some 76 puts or something.
It's true. Think about the weeklies.
But you know me, I prefer strike over premium.
Same.
That's what matters in the worst times. I'm not sure if I should do the spready poo or not. Maybe 70 or 72 and a half. That's our choice. 17.5 has way better premium, 20 delta. Pretty comfortable, the 72.5. Yeah, because that supports 74 right there even too. I'm going to put in a working order for the 72.5 CSP. Put it at $1.44.
I think you'll get filled on that.
Let's hope. And you just give me like the slightest red candle and then just pop. I'm gonna have to.
Yeah, your top bid now, or top ask now.
Yeah. Might just have to move it down to $1.43. Yep.
Socks keeps going up for me.
Come on, fill me. Fill me at $1.43 at least. 42 already? Alright, if I don't get filled at $1.43. I don't like taking the bid on CSPs.
Yeah.
That was such a fucking literally getting mad over literally 1 penny. There you go, $1.43.
You guys are selling CSPs on the.
Yeah, I just got one. Because I don't have anything going. Oh, actually, I do, but not enough. I just have my. So now I have Corsair, IPOE, and AMD CSPs.
I was looking at opening one on IPOE or CCIV, but nothing looks.
IPOE, I'm going to scan a roof for you.
Jeez, Bank of
I'm
America.
sure we've already used it too.
Can you take a look at Marvell for me too, Mike? I'm still
Yeah.
trying to work out this.
So for IPOE, it looks like the 15 puts for 21st of May or 16th of April would be your best bet. Probably at this point, 21st of May has actually that's actually really good. It's a 6% return on risk, 15% out of the money. Get $85 for it for just a 15 put. I actually kind of want to get one of those too.
Bank of America hit an all-time high today.
Wait,
what else?
15 put
Marvell?
on which date?
21st of May has the best return on risk, obviously. I have the 16th of April. If IPOE, is IPOE down today? No, it's like flat.
It's flat.
Yeah. One day I'll roll it.
Actually, that 15 put is not bad at all.
No, it's amazing, actually. Let me create a watch list real quick for, what was it? Marvell? MRVL?
Yeah.
Let's see. Scan in Marvell. Let's see. All right. So best return on risk is a 34 delta for the 48 put. Let me check the chart for Marvell real quick. See what we're working with. Whoa, Marvell looks pretty high. Oof, I don't.
Nothing looks great contract-wise.
I mean, it doesn't even look good to get in wise, honestly. I mean, it does and it doesn't. It's not the greatest time.
I'd almost wait for a pullback.
That's what I'm thinking, but also tech could hit all-time highs. It definitely could. It broke through the top cloud.
I mean, do you think that there's probably some hesitancy with potential for increase in rate yields that it could actually bottom out again, or not bottom out but drop?
I honestly don't even know what Marvell does 100%.
They're 5G. So
Oh,
they develop
5G. That's right. That's right.
technology. Sorry, what was the question about rates?
Do you think that, with tech going up right now, which is great, do you think rates going up though will cause tech to kind of drop too in the short?
Drop like heavily, or I mean
have some chop. I wouldn't say heavy.
In my opinion, I think the correlation with the rates are not at, even if the rates were to go up to like 2%, for example, it's not at a crazy place where it's like concerning for tech. I mean, that's like that's where we're before the pandemic.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah.
I think the market was overreacting with rates in a previous month, and I think it's pretty much over it now.
Yeah, I think that's kind of priced in at this point, Air, those rates.
TK cross on Tesla.
I will say this: it probably won't react to the same degree. It might have a slight effect on it, but I don't think it will have a massive one where we see like a ugly pullback.
Is that a good TK cross with Tesla right there on the 1 minute?
1 minute.
Damn, Spike, I should have gotten back into them. They're at 50.75 right now.
On the 1 minute Tesla. I'd ask Fred, are you there? I don't really see it.
On what, Tesla?
Yeah.
Hold on.
Looks like a TK cross under low key, doesn't it?
No, it's flat. It's going up right now. You're fine. Tesla's
Well,
positive.
Yeah, Tesla is going up.
It actually bounced. If you zoom in, it bounced on the line as a TK
Yeah.
cross to the downside, and then it's
News just came out. That's what's happening.
Really?
Tesla's redesign of the Model S and X will stimulate demand for the vehicles, Oppenheimer said. There you go. That's what came out. So it's going to drive.
Oppenheimer? That's
Yep,
a funny
Oppenheimer.
name.
Wasn't there other good Tesla news, like their deliveries over the weekend?
Yeah, they blew it away by like 20,000.
Yep.
I swear,
popping
man,
on
EVs are getting really
All
popular
in,
these
all
days.
back in.
No, don't do that yet.
I'm just kidding.
It will go up between now and earnings, though. I anticipate it to go steadily up.
Corp, it's at least worth $3,000. Kathy Wood said it is, so.
I don't disagree. In fact, I would say $4,000.
And that's misleading what I just did. I just opened a CSP on AMD and my cash and sweep went up. You know what I mean?
Yeah, put cap in your account.
Right. I mean, it went up, but that CSP, if it got assigned, would be like a large amount of that cash and sweep.
Well,
Kinda misleading.
actually, it would not. It would be half of it because a CSP ties up more capital than equity, which is kind of dumb, but that's how they do it.
What do you mean?
When you get assigned, so CSPs take up 100%. Equity, the margin requirement is only 50%. So essentially, you can technically sell like CSPs worth 2 times your account, and you can't get. Well, maybe you still can get margin called, but you'll just be long equity.
Gotcha.
Because
72.5 is not a bad average down for sure.
Oh yeah, it looks like we got some green candles coming in, baby.
I took 142 because I was trying to get 145.
Guys,
is catching a bid.
quick question, guys. I have a question about Chewy. It had a very good earning, but after the earning, it's just going down.
It's heavy. I wouldn't touch Chewy.
Chewy?
Yeah, what's happening with that?
Probably got overhyped for earnings.
That's what I saw. It looked like it ran hard for earnings.
If it just had earnings, it's definitely about profit taking, and it's gonna be heavy.
Yeah, that's what I was saying last week. It looked like it was just coming down from earnings back to reality.
That's why I don't like
Yeah.
the whole through earnings, to be honest.
Yeah, but if you see February 12, it was at high 118.69, and from there it just went down.
Yeah, well, Chewy hasn't been around that long either, so it's hard to determine from historical data what the actual, value of the stock is.
Let me see Chewy.
Yeah.
Careful
So I'm
with that MMI
holding 100 stocks. My average is 1 second. Let me see. 86. So just hold it, right?
I mean, I think it's a decent
should-
time to hold. Yeah.
It should bounce.
Yeah.
So just get out of it once I positive. This is
You said you have
well-
100 shares?
yeah, 100 shares. Average cost 86.86. Yes.
I would sell.
I
Yeah,
would
I'd
wait
sell a
for it
covered
to go into the 80s and then sell a covered call, probably, personally. But you can also just sell out once it goes back into the 80s if you wanted. Yeah, yeah. So yeah, I think
I could do that too. Yeah.
we'd say just hold until the 80s. You could take a little bit more heat, no lie, but I think it'll rebound off the 76, 77 area.
I would say Chewy, as far as like market presence, would have a decent long-term valuation. Like they will just get more and more profitable. Like people aren't going to use them just one time of the year. They'll use them year round. The more and more they become prevalent.
So do you think is it worth it to average it down more?
No.
Or no?
I would wait till 76 if you want to average, but
I mean, you can also open CSPs if it comes down too.
yeah, but I mean,
right?
yeah, it's a volatile stock.
Okay.
So, yeah, exactly. Just don't sell at bad times like now. Like sell when you're feeling good, you know.
Just try not to watch the chart too much if it's not going the direction you want, and maybe just look up news on Chewy and stuff like that instead. You know.
I hear you. Yeah, that sounds good. Okay, I can do that too.
Yeah, like if it drops below like 73, then it's going to start looking bad. But I don't think it will, because they just had good earnings. So I think it's just people took profit and now they're overreacting, selling. I think it's going to be fine, especially with their good earnings that they just had. They just had positive EPS for the first time all year.
In my opinion, I would average down. I was gonna say low 70s, but
yeah,
low 70s, maybe mid
70s.
60s and low 60s, I would say, because that's the elevation area. I mean, if you have room to add, then and it goes down there, then and if it gets down there really without any decent bounce, it's gonna for sure bounce, and you have a decent average. If it bounces here, good. If it doesn't bounce and it goes lower and goes to low 70s to mid 60s, then I think it's a great time to add because it's most likely going to bounce. You want it to get directional quickly, or hold and push back up.
Sounds good.
Because the faster it drops without a bounce, the more higher odds and probabilities it's going to bounce because it's so imbalanced. When it's so imbalanced, it's going to have to correct that imbalance.
It skips through all the volume in between.
WBI is caught a nice bid in the mid 19s. I'm still down a 1.5 on it. Was kind of ugly. I started way too early on this, but it's fine. Well, I was gonna buy 18s but didn't get there. Yeah.
Yo, apparently I'm pretty sure XRP and cryptos are booming right now.
Yeah.
I dumped a couple hundred into Ethereum and Bitcoin like last Friday.
Nice.
Damn, yeah. XRP is popping. You can't even buy that nowhere anymore. But I think Bitcoin's gonna blow past 60K and run for a little bit. And Ethereum, I got in before under 2,000. Cool. 10%.
JKS is a turd.
It's pretty much my Robinhood account now. It's just equity and crypto. Wait, was that Yasir we were talking to?
Yeah.
What?
Whoever
Yeah,
we were
that's
talking
me.
to about Chewy. I didn't know that was Yasir. I don't know.
Yeah, that's me.
Oh, nice. Damn. That's real.
I like specs technical analysis.
Was that Alan? Oh yeah.
How are those covered calls doing, Yasir, on AMD?
Let me see.
Lowering your average cost at all?
I'm still down $74 on it.
On the covered call?
This morning you were down what, 130, right? So
134, yeah. I was down
It's
134.
unrealized. Don't worry about it. This the closer it gets to expiration, that's gonna help you.
Yeah, you'll be fine. Yeah. What date? Yeah, 5/21. That makes sense.
I have a similar one to you, and I'm not worried.
What call did you sell again?
You know, the only you worry
The 90
when you see the whole market green and only you are the one down, you feel worry about it, man.
Dude, I'm not worried about it with a covered call. I mean, in the worst case, I'll just roll it if I really want.
I see.
I know what you mean.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wow. Look at ES. Just
Corsair
wow.
red for.
Whoa, Corsair! What the spook? Spook. CSP still up on the day. Corsair. It's just it doesn't have a lot of volume, so it's kind of violent during the day.
Apple pumped nice today.
Yeah, Apple's good. Apple's up good. How's the ARCs doing today? Let's see. Let's see how Mason's port is doing. Oh, not good.
Sorry. Trying to laugh.
What about Mason or ARC?
ARC.
Yeah, both.
Mason, both.
The fact that Mason owns ARC is.
I think that's why Chewy's doing bad.
Well, he's owning Apple. Maybe he sold Apple. I've been waiting for this guy to sell.
He has Chewy and ARC still, I think. Or
In my opinion, I think ARC is a little bit overrated.
ARC is hell overrated in my
A
opinion.
little, yeah. What do you mean a little?
Yeah. Well, I'm trying to be.
I mean, it is Facebook.
No, yeah, I feel you. Facebook.
Yeah. ArcX is all Facebook.
Wait, you mean they're invested in Facebook?
Yeah, heavily.
ArcX.
I think all the ARCs are over.
Yeah. Yeah, it's only got like 2 or 3 space companies in it out of the 10.
So you're saying ArcK is a better one?
If you start to look at them, I mean, you really have to look.
ArcK is like mostly Tesla, isn't it? It's like 10-11%.
Yes. Correct.
I might try to day trade Corsair if it drops below 33.70. Might just set an order because the bid and ask is pretty wide on Corsair, so sometimes you can get those nice fills if you just put an order in for it,
Yeah.
But it could go to 33.25 though. Could.
It takes one person to think the exact opposite of what you think.
Yeah, I'm not a day trader, but
There is no Facebook in ArcX.
It's all Facebook.
That's supposed to be a joke?
Facebook to the moon.
Go.
I
Facebook.
was like looking, I was like, well, Facebook might have some sort. Nope.
Facebook is doing really good. I didn't even look at it today till now.
What is Trimble? I've never heard of that until now.
Didn't they just get like sued or like they just leaked a hella info too? Heard they leaked like 500 million phone numbers, including Zuckerberg's.
Yep.
Oh, nice.
It's from 2019, though. It's old.
Oh, it's from 2019?
Mm-hmm. Yep. It's not
That's
really
not
new.
news.
No.
I posted in a group. I got flagged for a 7-day suspension. I appealed it. I won the appeal, so I reposted it, and because I reposted it, they gave me an additional 30 days. Tell me that's not fucked up.
My buddy says Tesla. Never mind.
What? Tesla. It's up. Tesla to 50 cents.
No, he says Tesla is a good short. Probably soon. If it runs up a little
Tesla
more.
700?
Based off of his valuations. He values it way higher than I do, actually.
Vlad calculated the intrinsic value is around 607, I think.
Yeah. Well, based on certain models, yeah. He was telling me.
I mean, yeah, you know that's. I mean, it's all subjective.
Yeah, all the valuation models are like all over the place. Some
Yeah.
of them say 400,
Look
some of them
like
say
a-
300. I say 50, but
Oh, okay. ArcX is Netflix. Sorry, not Facebook.
Yeah, what's up,
Right back, guys. Gotta go to the
both
bathroom
mics.
for class.
Yeah, ArcX is innovation and space. So Netflix is in it, Amazon's in it, Google's in it,
innovation in space.
Honeywell's in it, Tencent's in it, Autodesk is in it, Morgan Stanley Government Institutional's in it. I don't know what that is.
I haven't seen any of these in the top 10 holdings.
No, they're not in the top 10, but they're there.
Okay.
So Netflix, for example, is 10,000 shares, almost 11,000 shares. They have Workhorse in there for 345,000 shares.
I haven't heard of a lot of these.
Number 2 is a 3D printing ETF.
Yeah, I saw that.
They put an ETF in an ETF. Right? You can do that? I didn't know you could do that. I didn't see what it meant, but
Baba's number 24.
If you want to short the S&P, maybe you want. If anyone wants to short the S&P, you would probably wait towards the later part of the day when it fills its ATR. What 37 was open? Maybe high 70s or 80s on the ES is a short, but yeah, I would say high 70s to low 80s is a good short on the ES for like a quick one. I wouldn't overstay though, to be honest.
John Deere is an ArcX.
Yeah, I was literally just looking at that. I was like, so is John Deere going to space? Or
You have to wonder if they're not working on some piece of technology that maybe will help. Is what I'm thinking. Netflix, I don't quite know. Maybe Netflix has some kind of side component.
people need to watch Netflix in space?
Farm equipment on Mars.
Didn't Snoop Dogg say, or somebody say they're going up to Mars to smoke some doji?
I heard that Elon Musk was sending Dogecoin to the moon, literally.
Yeah. He's probably put it in a wallet, sending his wallet up there.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Yes.
So the reason I heard Netflix is in ArcX is with the
Starlink and stuff, Netflix will be more available to more people, so it'll go up.
Yeah, might be a connection there, is what I'm thinking too. But
And
it also
then
stands
the
for
farming
ArcX isn't just space; it's also innovation. So maybe they just really like Netflix.
Yeah, and then the farming stuff, it's already out there, but you can control your tractors from your house and GPS, and they'll do everything. You don't have to be in them.
Yep, I've seen that too.
That's like Interstellar.
Well, I got friends that are farmers that all they have to do is just sit in they set the GPS and they
Yep.
just sit in the tractor just in case something goes wrong. They do nothing.
Full self-driving tractors.
Yep.
Corp, you see my orchard?
Your orchard?
Yeah.
You mean orchid? Hold on.
My OXT we were talking about this morning.
Oh! No, I haven't looked at it. I thought you were talking about a plant.
No, dude, I was talking about the fucking.
This is the plant channel.
Yeah, this is the plant channel.
Botany channel.
Nah, but it's been fucking taking off, bro.
Hold on. OXT.
I got quite a
It's
bit, so I'm excited.
89. It's where it was this morning. Same price.
No,
Oh, it just
dude.
fell. It's 88 now.
It was look at it go. If you look at the weekly, it'll show like it hit like 90, 92, you know, but like it was just at like 90 something. It's going up. I have it at 70.
I don't know.
Dang, AMD might break break below this daily support.
I'm sticking with my XLM. Like my XLM.
Okay, I'm only down $1 on WBI now. It's good. Caught a bid. JKS, I want to add 38 and if it cracks 40. And plug, I'm gonna add 31 on my day trades.
VIX about to break up into 18, 17. It's at 17.99 right now.
Going up.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah, I'm gonna take a nap. I'm gonna put my orders in, and I guess we'll see what happens.
Well, you
Spec
enjoy
living
your
the
nap.
life.
Sorry, what was that?
Living the life. Enjoy your nap.
Thanks, man.
Hey, I just bought 20 AMD.
Good.
Oh yeah.
It's tempting. Lower my average, but I think I'll just ride with the
Well,
CSP.
How does a global minimum tax work? Does that only work for like U.S. companies?
I'm assuming it only applies to UN companies in the countries that are part of the UN.
I think it's anybody who wants to sell in the U.S. They're going to send you a bill.
What do you guys think about that?
Don't know the full details, but I don't think just random taxes are going to.
I think it's
problems.
awesome. Don't you me.
I just went and picked up some fucking hash. Looking so good.
Hey, Joe, we're on YouTube, bro.
Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry, YouTube.
You're good, Joe.
I love you, Joe. Pick up some corned beef hash. That's awesome.
Yo, Alan, Corp is trying to like put some games that I've never heard of in my my buy order of his game collection.
You should definitely buy all of Corp's games, man. Like, he's selling them at a great price, and the quality of product he
I'm buying
has.
no matter what. There's no convincing me. It was just
Well-
I was trying to throw in toilet paper, bro.
No.
Toilet
So
paper,
I have a Mad magazine. You know Mad magazine?
Yes.
So they put out a box set 15, 20 years ago with every single Mad magazine on the, and the CDs each have different covers of the different Mad characters. And inside the box is a roll of Mad toilet paper.
See, to the right collector, that is so much money.
And it's sealed, never touched. The box has never been opened.
Yeah, but see, Alan, you know me. I like to get this stuff not for value, but for as far as the collection. Because I'll never resell it. But I'm excited to see it.
I'm sending it to you regardless. You're getting it.
I'll be happy to. I'll never get to see the toilet paper because the box will never get to be opened.
Joe, do you have a record player?
I actually do. Yes, I do.
So I've got the Missile Command 45 RPM book and record.
Has it been used?
No, not well, I don't know. Maybe it's open.
Okay, as long as it's open, I'll definitely play it. Yeah.
I also looked at last night. I think I told you, brand new NES Nintendo, brand new in the box, never opened, never touched controller. Sega Genesis controllers. I even have the Atari 5200, the really expensive Witco one, the one that doesn't break, 200. I have so much stuff, Joe.
Didn't you say something about a game that was not released that was signed?
Yeah, Bugs Bunny.
Hmm.
I have a lot of.
I'm like dying to see this list.
I have a whole bunch of new Dreamcast touch the ones where you can see through them. I have cleaning kits for like the Super Nintendo stuff, brand new in the box from Blockbuster, never opened or touched.
Nice. Give out your address to YouTube.
I have what else did I come across? You ever play Parappa the Rapper?
The what?
Parappa the Rapper?
No.
The Rapper. So I have the special kit to play this game. So the hardware, the controller is different. Are you in can you see exclusive?
Yeah.
I'll message it. I'll PM it to you. Everybody else. This guy. No, that's not it. Oh. This guy. That's John Deere. You know.
Parappa the Rapper?
Parappa the Rapper.
1998. I'm looking on YouTube.
I have the special controller. It's like a 6-button big controller that you play the beats to. It's hilarious. You'll love it. It's one of the better games that was ever put out there. I have House of the Dead with the guns.
Ooh, I like that game.
That's a great game.
Did you open it?
That's open because I played that to death.
Yeah, I really want to play that.
That's a good one.
Do you have what is that game? Road Rash?
Road Rash.
The motorcycle
I haven't played it yet, but I've only inventoried. This is pathetic of things. When I get to the PlayStation and the Dreamcast games, I'm not going to inventory them because they're thousands. So you're just going to get it all. That's all included.
I hope you have Road Rash.
I'm pretty sure I do.
Oh my gosh, I'll be so excited. That game is worth that was my life back in the day.
I have plastic bins full of games you've never heard. I mean, and they're, hundreds, thousands of CDs.
And I liked all the Mega Man games.
Oh, I have those. I have those both in English and Japanese. You get them in all languages.
Yeah.
Dude, Corp, I think Dreamcast was one of the most underrated systems.
It was one of the best systems ever. Are you kidding?
The Gamecast?
The Dreamcast, what was great about the Dreamcast I mean, that's where NBA Live came out, or 2K came out, NASCAR came out. Like, all of those games came out on the Dreamcast. It's what pushed them over. And the fighting
I think if they improved their marketing for it, they would have done absolutely fine.
See, they were huge in Japan. They were huge in Japan. And by the way, Joe, you get both the Japanese.
Lockheed's so close to hitting 380.
Lockheed, wow.
Yep. Arc X.
Jump on a call. I shall be back.
Have a good day, man. Dollar General 206.67. He's Pepsi's close to 144.
Man, you guys remember this time last year? We all thought we were gonna die. What an incredible year it's been.
Yep. We all thought we wouldn't have enough toilet paper either.
Yep.
I saw this video over the weekend where this teacher wouldn't allow her students to eat during class, and the guy was eating an apple and she lowered his grade.
What?
Yeah. Pretty sure she was like a health teacher too. Snap, take two's back up to 182.55.
God, it is 11 already. It's noon, lunchtime. Man, how is all your mornings? You guys kicking some ass on the market?
I've only opened that one CSP on AMD, so just watching.
I haven't opened up anything or closed anything today.
Yeah, I haven't closed anything either. Been tempted to, but
same.
I just don't think it's worth it. I'd rather see those prices go back down to where my average are so I can add more.
If AMD drops a little bit more, I might add some, but that's probably about it.
It's trading at the entry I wanted, like the 146, 147 on the 72.5, May 21st.
Yeah, I already have a 72.5. I sold it last week, and I collected 287.
Oh, you're good then. Yeah, I should have opened that. Hindsight's 2020.
Yeah, it's not too bad. I mean, I might add more IPOE here, being down on the day, because I think, like Spec said, with them filing and everything, hopefully by the end of the month they merge. I mean, that'll send the stock up a little bit, hopefully.
Sounds like a plan.
Yeah, I have more common than I want, and I have warrants. Maybe I'll add some warrants.
Could always open a CSP on them also.
Yeah, I have like 5 though.
Ooh, nice.
4. I have 3 that expire in 11 days, so that's why I'm a little hesitant. I'm up on it though, which is nice. But 17.5 strike.
17.5. Oh.
Yeah, I'm not too worried. Worst case, I'll either roll it or just take profit. Or take assignment. I just don't want to force anything.
Yeah, that's how I am today. I'm pretty indecisive, and the market's so high right now. I'm not.
I might take a stab at a small position on Marvell if it hits 50.
The amount of optimism right now is making me a little bit worried. See for the rest of the week what happens.
Yeah, I'm in it for the long game, so I'm willing to wait.
Yeah, I'm a little bit concerned about the market pulling back.
I don't think it will just yet.
Like everybody's been saying, this is historically a good month.
Yeah, but May, if I remember correctly, is not the greatest month after that.
Hopefully it's good for Disney.
It should with the parks reopening on the 30th.
Frontier struggling to break this daily. It's like at daily support and resistance. Resistance.
Hey, so on the monkey bars, the point of control, is that the time where you want to buy, or is that kind of where the average is? It kind of acts like a VWAP.
It kind of depends. Like if it's at like a balance, like if it's a balanced point of control, it's like a kind of a major, I think, support area. Then if it breaks below that, it can go down more, you know? I'm still learning a lot about it, but what I understood, the volume point of control was more relevant. I think Spec said.
the volume point of control is where the numbers are, right? The time spent in each area, right? Or is it on the left side?
The left side, I'm pretty sure.
Gotcha.
Epoch.
So it's building value.
Yes, I would. It was earlier. Spy was. So.
I'm trying to use it on other tickers that have SPY and ES just to get a feel for it.
Yeah, I've been using Mike's daily volume profile also with the overall volume profile with it. Just because trying out different stuff. Like right now, it's point of control on that is 405.30 to 405.55 or take. We've had majority of the volume on SPY at the top range. Yep, same thing on monkey bars. Most of the volume. Just at the very top of the range, basically. The T-Pock is still down low at 402. Yeah, I can see why Spec says the T-Pock is more relevant. I just opened a $400 strike on buy put. Yep. Shouldn't. Well, I mean, I'll probably literally overnight it if it. I don't know. I might. $613. Sell it for a loss. Right? Watch it. Just trying to make money before the end of the day. My AMD CSP is at break even right here. Rip. Question is, should I add more SPY put? Overbought on the 1 minute. Still looks strong. It was a bad gamble. Yeah, I'm probably gonna sell for a loss now. $10 loss. Yeah. I don't know. VIX was on its way up, so I kind of was getting a little bit more optimistic about taking that trade, but yeah, it's been overbought all day on the 5. That doesn't sway the market makers. I'm just gonna act like I don't care about this $600 for a little bit. I appreciate it. Palantir got smacked. Down to 200 SMA on the 5. Below VWAP. Lower VWAP. I'm not seeing it from my chart. Oh. I think I already burned away, probably. I'm down 9 now. Yes, it's kind of going flat. Last 2 candles. A 5. High hopes for a living.
I was on mute.
Yo, YouTube people, thank you for tuning in. I'm gonna end the stream. I am up, got just shy of $6,500 today. Ooh. Well, there's 6,500. It's not even noon yet. Thank you guys all so much for tuning in on YouTube. Please make sure, if you are watching, to subscribe. Much love. We are streaming constantly on YouTube, trying to build a cool new platform. So I hope you guys all have a